enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day. We're back on the Racing Green and I'm finally going to finish the sills off. So I bet you're probably sitting there thinking this has taken him flipping ages, and if you're like me, I'm impatient, I want to get them done. But life has just got in the way. It's not like it was in the past where I can spend evenings and loads of time at the weekend in the garage. Time is really precious at the moment. It's really difficult to get time to come out here and do work on the Mini and do the edits, etc. But I just want to say thank you to you viewers for coming back each week and viewing the videos, because that's what keeps me going. I get round to sort of Friday, Saturday each week and I think I haven't done anything on the Mini. I've got to get out there, I've got to film some content and I've got to upload it for the viewers. So I know you're not here doing the work, but you do contribute and I really, really appreciate that. So, like I said, in today's video, we're going to get the sill on, painted and on this side. That'll be both sills done, the floor pans done on both sides, the toe board done, the inner sill repairs. And yeah, it'd be a great milestone, so I'm really looking forward to this. And this is an enjoyable bit now. It's just putting the sill back on. All the prep work's been done now. And then next up, we'll be into doing the flitch panel, bulkhead, engine bay, front end, engine. Oh, I'm getting carried away. Let's just get on with getting this sill on. And yeah, thanks for watching the video again this week. Cheers. Right then, so if it's your first time fitting a sill, don't make the same mistake I did on the last time, and make sure you get this front edge correct. And really important, so we've just offered it up, just clamped it in place at the moment with some mole grips, just to make sure the fitment's right. Every time I've fitted sills, I've always had to do a bit of fettling around the jack hole here. You generally have to beat the sill out a little bit to get it all to fit right, but that's looking pretty good now. All we're going to do now is go along with a Sharpie and we'll mark where the edge of the sill is, so I'll know where to mask up, so I can spray the inside of the sill and obviously leave the weld through primer bits without any top coat on them, so they'll weld okay. So bear with me, I'm just going to get the Sharpie out, draw the lines, be back in a minute. So there we go, I've got that marked on there with the Sharpie now. So these bits in between the purple lines I need to mask up, and obviously the lip here. Right, so that's all masked up now, ready for a coat of Hammerite. There's one thing that I haven't done yet, which is vitally important if you're doing a sill. Can you guess what it is? Take out the subframe bolts and make sure they come out, because now is the time. If they're going to snap, now's the time to be messing around with them. So I've taken both subframe bolts out, I've put some anti-seize on them, put them back in again. Obviously at a later stage the back end will all be coming apart and the rear subframe will be coming out, so now is a good time to deal with the subframe bolts, and they didn't snap, which I was happy about. So next up we need to do a bit of prep work on the sills. There's a few holes, so this hole at the front where the slinger bracket would go, and that one at the back. Obviously we haven't got slinger brackets now, so I need to blank them off. We also need to drill for plug welds. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to spot weld there, 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 I think. And we just need to drill these for plug welds on the back because they sit inside the companion bin and you can't get the plug welder there. So I've got a couple of little blanks made up. We just need to weld these on. This is nice and quick when we're using the spot welder. And this sill will get the same treatment as the inner sill. So once we drilled the holes, we'll mask it up. We'll weld through primer first, then we'll mark it up, and then we will do it in hammerite. So all done. That took about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes to get that all welded in. There are obviously the spot welds on the inside. It is so quick when you're using a spot welder, and especially when all the prep work is done as well. It's just super quick. And then obviously the outside and underneath, I have gone along and just ground back the welds. I didn't film that because it's horrible, noisy and boring. So yeah, really pleased with that. And that finger file, actually, belt sander, really good for cleaning up this lip. So I'm a bit worn out actually. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you want to drop me a comment, ask questions, leave words of encouragement, please do. And if you're not a subscriber, please do consider subscribing. Coming up next, we need to get that flitch panel sorted out because it's nasty. And then obviously inner wing repairs.